In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a notebook from a stack in Evernote. This is useful if you're reorganizing your workspace, breaking a big stack into smaller groups, or simply want a notebook to stand on its own again. I'll walk you through the process step by step in the Evernote web app, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Evernote in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Notebooks. Go ahead and click on Notebooks. This will open a page that shows all of your notebooks and stacks, so you can quickly find the one you want to adjust. On the Notebooks page, locate the stack that currently contains the notebook you want to remove. Stacks usually appear as grouped or bundled notebooks under a single stack name. When you found the stack you want to work with, click on that stack. This will open it up and display all of the notebooks that are part of that stack. Now inside that stack view, look through the list of notebooks and find the specific notebook you want to remove from the stack. Once you've identified it, click on the notebook to open it. You're not changing any notes by doing this, you're just opening the notebook so you can access its options. With the notebook open, look towards the top of the screen for an icon with 3 dots. This is usually located near the notebook's name or in the upper toolbar. These 3 dots represent the More Options menu. Click on the 3 dots to reveal additional actions you can take on this notebook. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Remove from Stack. Click on Remove from Stack. Evernote will immediately take that notebook out of the stack and place it back in your main list of notebooks as a standalone notebook. Your notes and content inside the notebook will stay exactly the same, only its organization changes. After you've done this, you can return to the Notebooks view to confirm that the notebook is no longer listed under the stack and now appears on its own. If you're reorganizing multiple notebooks, simply repeat these same steps for each one. This is a simple way to keep your Evernote workspace clean, flexible, and tailored to how you like to work.